Still relying on sunlight through the window? In 2025, LED grow lights are smarter, safer, and way more effective. We tested the best, from clip-on lamps to full-spectrum setups, and broke down what makes each one perfect for indoor growing. Let's get into it. The GooingTop LED grow light is a compact clip-on lamp designed for desktops, shelves, or small indoor gardens. It uses a 6000K full-spectrum output that mimics natural daylight, combining white and red LEDs to support both leafy growth and flowering. You can adjust brightness across 5 levels and set the built-in timer to run for 4, 8, or 12 hours automatically. It's simple to use. Just clip it on, plug it in, and let it run. Great for herbs, succulents, or small potted plants that need consistent light. The yadoker plant grow light is perfect for small plants and tight spaces. It features a height-adjustable stand, so you can position the light exactly where your plant needs it. The full-spectrum LED output supports healthy growth, and the automatic timer keeps your light cycles consistent. It runs on a safe 5-volt low-voltage system, making it ideal for seedlings, bonsai, or decorative plants in home or office settings. It's sleek, minimal, and super beginner-friendly. The TONYFUL grow light brings more power to the table with 40 watts and 360 LEDs packed into a slim bar-style design. It's made for under-cabinet setups or larger indoor growing areas. You get 10 dimmable levels and a timer with 3, 9, or 12-hour options, so you can fine-tune the light intensity and duration. It's ideal for growing leafy greens, flowering plants, or even small vegetables indoors. If you want strong coverage and flexibility, this one's a solid pick. The RIRIBEN Full Spectrum Grow Light is a flexible clip-on model with an adjustable gooseneck and remote control. It offers 3 spectrum modes, red, blue, and mixed, plus 10 brightness levels and a timer with 4, 8, or 12-hour settings. The remote makes it easy to switch modes without touching the lamp, and the gooseneck lets you aim the light exactly where it's needed. It's great for multi-stage plant care, especially if you're growing different types of plants with different light needs. The Kullinss grow light is a lightweight 10-watt lamp with 57 white LEDs and 3 color modes. It includes a timer with 6, 12, or 16-hour settings, and delivers a sun-like full-spectrum output that's gentle on bonsai, herbs, and other delicate indoor plants. It's compact, easy to clip onto pots or shelves, and perfect for beginners who want to keep their plants healthy without fussing over settings. From auto timers to 360 LED panels, these grow lights prove you don't need a greenhouse to grow healthy plants. We explained what each one does best so you can pick the right fit for your space and setup. Watch more gear reviews and indoor growing tips, only on our channel.